So what's up you all guys, welcome back to my channel What Happened If, and I am back with a new adventurous video, what happened if an asteroid collide with our earth. So let's check it out on the video without wasting any single second. So friends, on social media it is too much discussion on ending of Earth. Every day thousands of YouTube videos, thousands of social media posts or either news channels. In some previous month it is trending topic that's a bigger asteroid of 4.1 kilometers is collide to Earth on 29th April 2020, and they all claim in this blast the Earth and the species on the Earth will be totally destroyed because the asteroid is moving toward us with the speed of 31 kilometers per hour. But luckily my dear friends, it's passed from the surface without collision. But why it's not happened? And if it's happened, then what? And who is that asteroid that passes too much near from the surface and that at time we think it will collide? Actually we are too much lucky that we are alive still today from the asteroid that is half of the size of Mount Everest. Yes guys, Mount Everest. So friends, in 1998 scientists claimed that this asteroid will collide with Earth at 20 April 2020. So that's why this asteroid is also named as 1998 OR2. And a fun fact is that where millions of asteroids are moving around the planets but not Earth, and these brave asteroids move around the Sun. So that's why NASA found these asteroids potentially too much dangerous for our planet, because maybe it will happen at those time if a small change in their path of the asteroids will eventually attracted by the gravity of our Earth and it will destroy the Earth. So can you imagine what happened with us at that time? I mean seriously, you have any single idea about it? Will how it affect our Earth? To understand this we have to compare the sizes of different asteroids. Means the larger the size of the asteroids means the more destruction. So guys, let's start with the smallest one, and our first asteroid, that is 2008 TC3. Its diameter is almost 4.1 meter. If we compare this, it is almost or more than the double size of human. This asteroid deployed in southern Nubian desert. Its blast away from the surface almost 37 kilometers, but it's not harm anyone. But guys, this is very small of 4 meter. So now move to the next asteroid that is bigger than this one. So guys, the asteroid is named as Chelyabinsk meteor. Its diameter is almost 20 meters. This asteroid is deployed in Russia, Chelyabinsk, so it is named as Chelyabinsk, and it's deployed in Russia on 15 February 2013. And this asteroid affects the area of 10 to 20 km near it. It's injured 1941 people and 7,200 properties. It's totally destroyed. Massive destruction, right? But friends, this destruction is nothing as compared to the Tunguska. So let's move to the next asteroid that is named as Tunguska. It is 65 meter long. It is deployed in area of Tunguska river that is located in Siberia. By this airburst of that asteroid, it's damaged fully 46 kilometer area near about it. It burned 800 lakh trees in a single night. Can you imagine guys the power of this asteroid? Well, some scientists claim that the destruction of this asteroid is 1,000 times more than the deployed nuclear bomb in Hiroshima. Just think guys, if this asteroid deployed in any area that is crowded place, then what happened with us? Maybe guys the imagination is enough to afraid our soul. And don't forget, it is only 65 meters, and that the asteroid that is deployed in April 29 is 4.1 kilometers. Shocking, right? If it's deployed, it will destroy all the Earth. But guys, we are lucky, nature saved us again. But these asteroids are like joke and newborn baby in the front of an asteroid. Yes guys, we are talking about that asteroid that is colliding with our Earth before 660 lakh years ago. The asteroid destroyed 70% of plants, trees, animals, and they get disappear like dinosaurs. The impact of that asteroid destroyed the roots of the species at that time. So this asteroid is named as Chicxulub impact asteroid that's destroyed the dangerous species like dinosaurs and others. Are you know that what is the size of that asteroid? So well, it's approximately 11 kilometers. At that time, this is another level destruction by the 11-kilometer asteroid. But friends, we humans are always lucky and safe from the asteroids. But how much time the luck is with us? In fact, the scientists claim that an asteroid named as 99942 Apophis, the size of the asteroid is 370 meters. According to some calculations, it is 2% chances to strike with our Earth on 13th April 2029. And friends, do you know that more than 5,000 meteoroids will falling toward our planet daily? From them, many of the meteoroids will never reach our surface, it's blast in our atmosphere. And from them, there are only 15 meteoroids that will reach the surface and cause some meteoroid strikes. But we know that more than 75% of our area is covered by water. Thankfully, most of the asteroids is fall in water, and at those places there is not any species of human or animals. But if any large size of asteroid almost half miles is striking with our Earth, so friends, I am very sorry to say that like dinosaurs we will also disappear. It's destroy all the human species totally. If anything, say maybe that is insects, worms and some reptiles. So friend, half of miles of the asteroid is enough potential to destroy our Earth. But friends, can we do nothing to protect us? Yes, we can. We humans are called themselves intelligent, innovative and high-tech. And almost from 2000 years, we rule the Earth by help of our mind and our inventions. So till today, during this duration, humans perform so many discoveries and some inventions. So how we can die with our natural meteoroids and disappear in a minute? So answer is actually no. And I know some of the intelligent peoples have some intelligent ideas in their mind that you will discuss in comment section. The most common idea is maybe we launch a rocket and in space we destroy the asteroid that is moving toward us. But this idea is not really smart, because by this technique we increase our problem more. Very high possibility that the particles that asteroid is combined and form a cloud. Then cloud orbit the Earth, and some of the orbit particle enter the Earth with the help of the gravitation. So clearly we have to find out the more innovative idea, and in this situation the scientists invent a new machine that is known as kinetic impactor. With the help of this machine we will change or distract the path of meteoroids so that the asteroid distract or change its direction from the Earth. But guys, in this process we need too much time. For a small asteroid it is almost 2 years, and if any bigger it's take 20 years to make an impact crater. So there is for today video. I hope this video open your mind to think about this topic. If you like this, then like the video and give your ideas in the comment section for my new video, and don't forget to subscribe what happen if and press the bell icon for more videos. Then you will get notifications instantly. So that's for today. Sayonara and signing.